Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a snack recipe that is known as chicken bread rolls. It will be very crispy and very simple to make, friends. So the ingredients required to prepare this recipe are: here I have taken few slices of bread. As you can see, I have cut the edges off, and this one I have rolled it also in a roller. Normal, just rolled it. This is 200 grams of chicken minced, 2 medium sized onion finely chopped, 2 eggs. This is breadcrumbs. This we will use as much as we require. This is 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic chopped, 2 green chilies finely sliced. This you can increase or reduce according to the spiciness you want in your rolls. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt as per our taste, and we are going to use oil to prepare this recipe. So now let's get started. Here friends, I have heated 1 tablespoon of oil and I am going to add the chopped ginger and garlic. Lovely aroma comes out. Then I am going to add the onion, finely chopped onions. Then I am going to add the green chilies, and I will saute this till the onion becomes slightly translucent. Now as you can see, our onions have become translucent. I am going to add the minced chicken to this. I'll mix the chicken. Now I am going to add little bit of black pepper powder, just little bit, not the full black pepper powder. We'll keep some to add in the egg mixture. So we are keeping this much to add in the egg mixture. Then we will add salt as per our taste. And now we will cook the minced chicken properly along with this onion. Meanwhile friends, I have rolled out all the bread. As you can see, took the sides off and have rolled these breads and made it completely flat. Now I am going to beat this egg. So I'll add the black pepper powder. No need to add salt in this because I have already added salt in the chicken mixture. So we don't need to add salt in this. Now let's mix this chicken. If you want, you can also add oregano, chili flakes in this egg mixture. Mix it properly. So friends, here is our chicken mixture ready. As you can see, I will put off the flame and transfer this to a separate bowl. Now friends, after the mixture is ready, chicken mixture, we'll keep it aside and we'll take 1 bowl of water. Take a slice of bread. After rolling it friends, you will add little bit of chicken mixture one side, and then dip your finger into the water and then gently press the sides. Many times, friends, the bread, it starts, it will not form into a perfect shape. No problem, just gently press it. Now take this, dip it in the egg, and then put it in the breadcrumb. Nicely roll it in the breadcrumb. Nicely roll it, and here it is ready. If it starts breaking, just add the breadcrumb and press it gently. So here I have rolled 2 bread rolls and I have kept. We'll repeat the same with this remaining bread slices. Now friends, here I have made 6 bread rolls ready. Now I am going to fry these bread rolls. I have heated sufficient oil for frying. On a medium high flame, we are going to fry these. Friends, you can also make this like this and store it in the deep freezer for near about a week, or you can just fry it instantly and savor it. Once it turns nice and golden from both the sides, we will take it out from the oil. It is nice and crispy. And place it over the kitchen towel. Then now I will repeat the same procedure with this remaining bread rolls. So friends, here is our yummy bread rolls ready. As you can see, it's nice and crispy. Savor it with your favorite sauce. Very simple recipe, friends, with the ingredients that are easily available at home. We always have bread at home. Chicken, we need very little chicken. Onion is at home. So everything is at home. Egg is also there. And we do also keep breadcrumbs at home. And children will love this recipe. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.